Hey yo, it's been a while. I'm going to give you guys an update what we're going to do on this channel. Alright, I got the Carnival Dream coming up. I can't wait. Now I'm going to tell you guys all about that. But it's been a while since we've been on here. So, where have I been? What have we been doing? Well, now's the time we going to sit here and talk about it, okay? Hey, welcome to the Blue Collar Cruising Channel. My name is Ike Stevens. Okay, and this is the Blue Collar Cruising Channel because I said that twice. So that makes it legit. Alright, so we're going on a cruise in about a week and a half. We're going on the Carnival Dream on July 30th, 20 and 22. That's what we're going to do. We consider that a special ship for us, a Carnival Dream, because it's been our first ship, but then we went on it so many times after our first cruise, right? It was like our go-to. And so it's nice to be able to get back on something where it's been, 3 years? Yeah, something like that, about 3 years since our last cruise on the Dream, almost 3.5 years, and for us, that's a long time for that ship, right? We've done so much since. So the itinerary is going to be different, though. We're doing the Freeport, Half Moon Key. I think that's how you say it, right? Key West and Nassau. Now, listen, I'm sitting here looking at this itinerary. I'm looking at all the stuff. Half Moon Key is the reason why I booked this cruise. And yeah, by judging by the bookings on it, everyone else booked this for the same reasons, and it's going to be a packed beach. But I've seen the pictures. It's one of the places I wanted to go to. It's a large beach from what I understand, and so if you wanted to get away from the crowds, you can. So you're not like packed in. So we're really looking forward to that. That's a thing. That's the only excursion we have booked. Now, we're going to get off the ship at these ports and kind of go venture around a little bit. But we're really only going on this cruise for two reasons, Half Moon Key and the Carnival Dream, because it's a special ship for us, right? And so we're looking forward to that, July 30th and all that. So I've got some ideas on what we're going to do after, because after the Dream, our next booked cruise is in February of next year. And so I'm going to do something that I kind of do on my main channel. In case you don't know, that's for Bonehead Truckers. I started off a series a couple of years ago, Bonehead Truckers of the Week, right? Now, I'm not going to do Bonehead Cruisers of the Week. I'm just not going to do it. Cruising's supposed to be fun. We don't want to sit here and, shame people on vacation. We'll shame people at work. We'll just not shame people on vacation, right? But one of the things that I wanted to do, because I follow, especially due to the pandemic, I followed a lot of the cruise news channels, or basically two. And they did a video every day, and I've followed them every day, but for what I do, it's too much work for me to do every day, because I have that channel, which is my bread and butter, that keeps me occupied, and this is a secondary thing. Now, so what I'm going to do is cruise news of the week. Okay, I'm going to do one video a week, and it'll probably be Sunday, right? Sunday mornings. That's probably what we're going to do, and we're going to do cruise news of the week. We're going to pack in all the news, or at least the headlines of that previous week that you may have seen on other channels, like Lolita Loca and Don's Family Travels or Adventures or whatever. I love both those channels, by the way. My two favorite cruise channels, and ECC Travels, but they don't do the news. I really enjoy those channels, but so I'm not going to do a daily video those guys, what those guys do is work, okay? It is work to do a daily video. So much respect for those guys. But my thing is I'm wanting to start off with one video a week. And I'm going to basically cover maybe things that they've already covered, but I'm going to put it on my spin, and it's going to be all wrapped up all in one. And so in case you don't watch all of their videos all week long, then if you want to come here and just like, okay, what are the headlines of the week? Right? And I'll give it to you. And I'll give it my spin. I'm going to try not to make it too freaking dry. Because sometimes I can get dry, but sometimes I can get witty. It's all in my mood. And I'll probably film it Friday or Saturday of each week. And I'll post it up on Sunday morning. So that's what we're going to do after the Dream Cruise. So I'm looking forward to that. So my schedule here on this channel is, I'm not going to start the cruise news of the week until I'm done with all the Dream videos. Probably. Who knows? I may just say, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and start this and then continue to post the Dream videos. I may do that. We'll play that by ear. Usually, for a 7-day cruise, it takes me about 2.5 weeks to get all my videos done. This is an 8-day cruise. So it may take longer. It may not take as much because we're not doing any excursions except for Half Moon Cay, where we're just playing around on the beach. So we're going to play that by ear. But after those Dream videos, for sure, I will be doing one video a week. It'll be cruise news. What have I been doing? Reason why this thing's been slow. A lot of stuff going on work-wise here. We went to Colorado. I only posted 2 videos. Didn't really get a ton of views, but this is a cruise channel, not a Colorado channel. Last I looked, both those videos had 83 views. It was kind of pathetic. But hey, if you want to go check those videos out, I'll go do it. We went up on Pikes Peak, traveled up there, and let me tell you guys, this is the formula that I'm probably going to do from now on. So next year I have a back-to-back on the Vista, okay, and that's in the middle of the summer. It's in June, first part of summer actually, and then we've got the Jubilee. But after that, I'm sitting there thinking, the Jubilee. By the way, the Jubilee, yes, we will be on that inaugural cruise. But after that, we're going to go and probably cruise in the wintertime. And then maybe go find a cool place in the summertime, all right? And maybe throw in an Alaska cruise someday. We want to do that. So we've been going to the Caribbean enough where we're wanting to do some other stuff. But the problem is that they threw this bone at us, right? With what's called the Carnival Jubilee. And let me just say that I'm looking forward to that one cruise, and we may just book more, which is all going to the Caribbean. But hey, sometimes, at first, it was about the ship and the excursions or the ports. Now it's less about the ports and more about the ship. I've kind of gotten to that point where I don't even so much care to get off at too many of these places, really. Besides Cozumel and Honduras and Grand Cayman. Yeah, out of the Western Caribbean. Listen, Belize can go kick rocks. Jamaica is looking pretty pathetic. We've got a Jamaica cruise planned, and the excursions, I'd probably stay on the ship unless something else pops up. So, but anyway, so that's where we've been working. We went to Colorado, did a few stuff, and now we're gearing up for cruising here on the Carnival Dream. And I can't wait to show you guys, bring you along. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see those videos. And again, after that, we're going to be doing cruise news of the week. We're going to start off with one video a week, and I figure that'll suffice. But anyway, thanks for watching Blue Collar Cruising. Hit this like button, okay? Hit that like button, and that way, well, if you like it, obviously, and if you like it, that way it gets out there, you know, YouTube algorithm type of stuff. Anyways, talk to you guys later, and 73.